Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Marie Adventure. So I got a lot of questions regarding the USPS hiring process. So this video is dedicated to all the subscribers and non-subscribers, which I hope will subscribe to me about their questions. So I'm not gonna take it long. I'm just gonna go ahead and answer the questions. Okay, so these are the questions. So from Kaval Patel, he's asking, hello Marie, I live in Georgia and I have completed my fingerprinting on May 1st, 2020. Now only thing I'm waiting for is my orientation. I have tried contacting my recruiter through email but no responses. So can you tell how did it take normally since COVID-19 is going around? How much it's going to affect getting responses back? So Kavel Patel, you're asking me that now that you have completed your fingerprinting, you want to know when is your orientation. So Kavel Patel, in my case, I waited 2 weeks before I get my invitation for orientation. So after my fingerprinting, it took 2 more weeks until I get an email from USPS telling me that I have a scheduled orientation. So that is the answer. I mean, working for a government or federal is not like working for a private company that when they interview you today, you can start tomorrow. There is a process and there are hundreds of people applying. You're not the only one. So it will take them, give them about 2 weeks. If it's 1 week, then good for you. Well, I want to say congratulations in advance, and hopefully when you get your orientation, let me know. Okay, let me know, and then I'm gonna give you a heart on your comment. Next question from Andres Murillo. Okay, I don't know if that helps, but Andres Murillo, thanks for the video. After the fingerprints, how long you wait for orientation day? Oh, it's the same question. So Andres, 2 weeks. In my case, 2 weeks. So just hang in there. It's gonna come. Huh? So for the meantime, prepare yourself. Prepare yourself for hard labor. Go to the gym. I mean, if you're at home, work out, because once you get deployed for work, it's gonna be hard. It's 10 to 12 hours of work. No sitting, just standing, walking, doing your work. You cannot sit, okay? Remember, prepare for that hard labor. Okay, next, Jim Aurel Tabangco. Okay, I cannot see the complete name. Tabang ... So anyway, Jim, you know who you are. Said, how long did you wait for the fingerprint scanning? I have a lot of questions. I'm not sure what I'm waiting for. They sent me a conditional offer. Matagal po bang waiting schedule of fingerprint scanning? And it does mean po ba na may sinend ako na gano'n na email at the job? So he's asking in Tagalog, in Filipino language. It's the same question, fingerprinting. What's next? So Jim, 2 weeks. You gotta wait 2 weeks after your fingerprint, and then they will send you the orientation letter. Oh, wait. I think you're asking. Oh, they send you a conditional offer. Okay. After they sent me a conditional offer, I took the exam the day after that. And then after 2 weeks, they sent me an invitation for fingerprint. And then another 2 weeks, they sent me an invitation for criminal record, federal criminal record. What do you call that? Sorry, I forgot the term, but it is like a background check. So, Jim, in my case, it's a 2 weeks process in each step. So, I waited 2 weeks for fingerprint, I waited 2 weeks for orientation, I waited 2 weeks for a criminal background check. Okay, so there's another question here. I'm gonna do this here. From Kahira Dixon Thompson. She said, hello, I got 100 on 475 exam. Do you think I'll receive an offer? For sure! They will like you because you got a perfect score. All you have to do is hang in there and wait for 2 to 3 weeks depending on where your location is. And they're gonna send you an invitation for fingerprint. Congratulations. Congratulations, Kahira Dixon Thompson. You're like 3 weeks away, 3 to 4 weeks away from your employment. And guys, if you see me, one day you see me on the street, in the plant, say hi to me. And if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please subscribe. Or like this video, leave a comment, ask questions, because I surely will answer it. If I cannot answer it by typing on the comments, I'm gonna make a video to answer your questions. So I hope that helps. A good estimation is 2 weeks for each step. But once you get your orientation, once you go to your orientation, the next day you will be sent on training already. So 2 weeks for each step except orientation, because after orientation, once again, you will be sent for your training. So, oh man, hard labor. My back aches. So, that's it for today. Thank you, and please be patient. They are working hard to make sure that you get your hiring process in a smooth and in order. But due to COVID-19, they're working on a slow pace because maybe they are short-staffed, right? So be patient, hang in there, stay blessed, pray, and miracles do happen. So believe in miracles because they happen every day. And one of the miracles that happened to me is I got this job that I didn't expect I will get, because I just saw it, a posting, it says USPS hiring, and then I went online without knowing if I will get hired or not. But I did what I have to do, take my exam, do the fingerprint, go to orientation, do my background check. I did all of that, and just pursue, eye on the prize, don't get discouraged. There's a waiting time because it's a federal and government jobs, but it will come. Don't worry, it will come. And get yourself prepared because it's gonna be a hard labor. But I like it. I lost weight in 1 week. I don't have to pay for losing weight. Well, thanks again. Please subscribe. Thank you. God bless. Stay blessed. Stay safe.